Lesson number 14, natural and man-made. We will move ahead from there, starting from textbook page number 87. Okay. Now, can you tell this is given on page number 87? This pic is also given on page number 87. If it is not properly visible to you, you can use your textbook page number 87. Okay. Now, this pic shows the area around Anju house and school. We have to complete a small activity based on this picture. Now, what is the activity? Let us see. Find Anju's house in the picture. So, where is Anju's house? Yes. Can you see the circle which I made down in the bottom? That is Anju's house. Find her school in the picture. Now, we have to find the school in the picture. Can you see the school? Yes, it is there top. That's the I have circle. That is Anju's school. Then we have to find a route from Anju's house to her school and color it. Now, while explaining, we have already done this. This is just a revision part which I am re-explaining you again. Okay. So Anju's house is here. Starting from here, we have to make a route to her school and color it. So I did it in yellow color. Then the next question is, know the things seen on the way from the house to the school. So Anju sees many things on the way from her house to the school. Now, which are the things that I'll be explaining you? First, she sees the banyan tree. See, I circled the banyan tree. It is there in her locality. Then she sees her friend's house, which is opposite her house. So that is her friend's house, Anju's friend's house. Then when she moves ahead, on the left hand side is a hotel and right hand side is Jilla Parishad office. Then when she moves ahead, she has to turn. When she turns, she sees a bus stop. Can you see the circle? A bus stop. Then the next she sees is a police chowki. What she sees? Police chowki. Then next she sees district hospital. Now when she moves, this district hospital comes on the left hand side of her path. Then she sees district telephone center. What she sees? District telephone center and a park which is opposite her is a park. So these all things can be seen on the way from house, Anju's house to the school. Okay. Now we have found route that Anju is going to take to her school. She passes along a narrow lane and a main road on her way to school. There are several things on both sides of the lane as well as on the road. Now what is there? Let us see. Again, one activity is given. 3 questions are given. Write the directions in which the places on the narrow lane are situated. So what are the places situated? This is the narrow lane, gully. So what are the places situated? The places situated. Write the direction in which the places on the narrow lane are situated. Now to write the direction, we have to follow the compass rose. Can you see the compass rose? Yes. Now we saw the compass rose. Based on the compass rose, we have to see. So which direction it is pointing? Yes, it is pointing to east west. So what is the direction in which the places on the narrow lane are situated? It is east west. The second question, directions in which the places on the road are situated. Which is the main road? This is the main road. We have no small gully and then main rasta we say, so this road which she crosses to go to her school. Now, which direction is this? Can you make out the direction? Yes, it is north-south. Based on the compass, you can understand that it is north-south. Then third question, mention the directions in which she must turn on the way to school. When she crosses the narrow lane, she makes a turn on the main road. Which direction is the turn? The turn has to be in the west direction. Then she reaches her school. She has to turn it in the west direction. Okay. So let's move ahead. Now we have seen the diagram and a smaller picture of Anju's house and locality is given. I have shared the screen over here. However, if you see this picture compared to the left hand side picture, the right hand side picture, it does not have realistic pictures of trees and buildings. Original pictures are not shown in this. In this, certain symbols are drawn. What these symbols represent is also mentioned against each of them. Like if tree is made, you can make out, then a green box is made which is showing telephone exchange, a red color box that is showing a hotel. Now we have to note that some of the things shown in the locality have not been shown in this picture. So some things which are shown in the locality, not all the things are mentioned, some things are missing. Now what is this picture? This picture is a sketch. Now what is a sketch? Smaller picture of house or locality with certain symbols is called a sketch. So what is a sketch? A smaller picture of house or locality with certain symbols is called a sketch. Now, in a sketch, realistic pictures are not shown. Original pictures are not shown. Different symbols for different objects are shown. Now, like if you see original tree, the picture shown is just a green color circle and a stem. A house, how it is showing by a black color marking of a house. So, now here we have to do the activity which is given on page number 88. Can you tell, study the sketch and do the following. Draw the symbol used to represent a house. Now, which symbol is used to represent a house? Yes, we can see Anju's house, we can see Anju's friend's house. So, which symbol is used? This symbol is used, like a triangle and a square, black color. Then next to the symbol, write the number of times it appears in the sketch. So how many times we see the houses in the sketch, we have to write. Now how many times are we seeing? 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many times we are seeing the symbol? 4 times. The third question is, draw the symbol used to represent a tree. So what is used? Yes, this symbol is used to represent a tree. Now the next question is, next to the symbol, write the number of trees seen in the sketch. So first we have to count the trees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How many trees? 14 trees. Okay. Now we have to list the things in Anju's locality that do not appear in the sketch. Now I have shared the pic on the left hand side which is showing Anju's locality, and on the right hand side I have shared the sketch of the locality. Now some things are not appearing in the sketch. What are those things? Let us see. Now the postal van, post office van is not appearing. Ambulance is not appearing. Then the cars on the main road are not appearing. The park is having different slides, people, that is not appearing. Then people outside Central Market, they are also not there in the sketch. The people outside the post office, and even there is a post box outside the post office, that is also not appearing in the sketch. Then the children or the people outside Anju's house, that is also not appearing. People outside the hospital, not appearing. So this way, the people, the vehicles are not appearing in the sketch. Now we use different symbols while making the sketch. Now this symbol is for house, this symbol is for tree. So to convert a sketch into a map, we need to show the directions and include an index, a title and a scale. That we know we are going to do, and different symbols are also be to use, like mountains, and we have to give a cue also that this triangle is showing a mountain, this plus is showing highest evolution, the circle is showing town, the X is showing airport. So we have to use different symbols. Now to convert a sketch into map, we have to show the directions. This way we have to make a compass rose to show the directions. Then we have to show index. What happened to the slide? 1 minute. It had to, that square is not coming. So let's move ahead. Now, let us see here what everything in Anju's locality is showing, how they are making it a map. First, we saw that it was only a sketch. The symbols were given. Now, to make it into map, is it having all the things that is required? Like it has directions. The compass rose is drawn. Then it has the map. What is the map is given for? It's showing house and surroundings. Then scale is given. I told you na, same measure we cannot show on the map, so we have to define on the scale. Then the index portion, that is also shown. Now this map is complete because it is not a sketch anymore. It has become a map because it has used included directions, title, scale and index. Okay. Now moving objects are not included on a map. Like people are walking, that is not included. The vehicles which are moving, that is not included. Then animals are not included. I have taken only a giraffe pig, but it includes animals. All the animals move from one place to another place, na? So animals are not included. Birds are not included. Not a single bird will be included because they keep on moving. They keep on changing their place. So they are not included in the map. Then a winding road in an area is shown to take exactly the same turns on a map. That is how roads, rivers, and railway lines are shown on the map. So if the road is going in S form, on the map also it is going to take the shape of S. If it is turning right, the map also it is going to show right. So the winding, the position, how it is the same way roads, rivers, and railway lines are shown on the map. Okay. The art of map making has advanced greatly. Now, in the olden times also, we used to have maps. Can you see the maps made in the olden times? This is the, now we have advanced so much that we are making this type of maps. Our ancestors, means our purvaj, our great grandfathers, they also used to make maps. Now, how they used to make maps? They used to use animal skins. Then they used to make maps on bones. Then what is this? Cowries. And clay or stone tablets were used to make maps. Now, approximately 5,000 years ago, there was a civilization called Mesopotamia. What was the name of the civilization? It was called Mesopotamia. Now, a clay tablet of those days showing some parts of Mesopotamia is shown alongside. Now, how we come to know that even they were 5,000 years ago, these people were also making map, because we have found a clay tablet which shows some part of Mesopotamia. So we come to know that even 5,000 years ago, people used to make map. Now this map of locality I have made the index which shows houses. We can see the houses. Then there is a bank showing a currency note. Can you see the bank? Yes. Then there are stores. Stores means general stores, or they are represented by a carry bag. Then there is a post office also. Then there is a library which is represented by a book. Then school, which is represented by a pencil. Hotels represented sandwich and cool drinks. That is also shown. Then we have a police station. Badge is shown. Then park The park is shown with the help of a tree. We can make out with the help of a tree that is showing a park. Then a farm is there. One single farm is there in the whole locality that is also shown. Now the map is complete. How it is complete? First I gave all the index information. Now I'm telling you the parts of the map. So it is having the directions, which shows that the map is complete. Now here I have not, then we have the title, my locality. That is the title or the name of the map. Now in that index I had included, I did not included the scale. Why I did not include the scale? Because it was just a representation purpose. So I did not included a scale in that. Now in this page number 89 map, use your brain power, find and circle the mistakes in the map. Now there are some mistakes in the map, but first let us understand that is the map complete? Then we can go ahead and find the mistakes. There is the title of the map. It is correct. Then there is a scale. Correct. Then there is, what is this? Index. Yes. Part of the map. Correct. Then direction. Correct. So what is the mistake? They have shown a man walking. So is it right? No, it's not right. Because we do not use people moving. Moving objects are not included in the map. So this is wrong. So this portion is wrong. Then they have shared a jeep moving or a vehicle moving. That is also wrong. Then what else? There is a dog or an animal shown in the picture. Do we show animals? No. So that is also wrong. So what? How many mistakes we found out? We found out 3 mistakes in the picture. Rest all everything was correct. Now here, the next again is make friends with map. You have to study the map of Maharashtra given below and we have to complete the activity which is there on page number 90. Name of the map, sorry, title, Maharashtra state major tourist places and transport routes. Then directions, scale, index. Our map is complete. We came to know that the map is proper. Now let's move ahead and understand what is the activity given. The first question they are asking is, our state has a historical heritage. Historical means related to history and heritage means past virasat. So we have historical heritage in Maharashtra. It has sports near the sea, in the mountains and on the plains. We have to write the names of districts which have forts. But first let us understand the symbol of fort. Now this is the symbol of fort. First I'll be explaining you the names of the fort because you have fort names in your EVS too now. So I'll be showing you fort names also. So the first fort I circled is Shivneri. Now Shivneri fort, what do you think about Shivneri fort? Do you remember something about Shivneri fort? What is that? Yes, Shivneri fort is the birthplace of Shivaji Maharaj. Then next we have Janjira Fort. You'll be learning about all this in your chapters in EVS 2. Then we have Kandhar Fort. Then we have Dharur Fort. Then Vairagad Fort. Akot Fort. Then Sinhagad. Ajra Fort. Now these were the names of the fort, but what they are asking us, they want the names of the districts which have these forts. So what are the names of the districts? We have Ratnagiri is having the forts. Then Sindhudurg is having forts. Then Raigad, Kolhapur, Pune, Akola, Beed. So these districts had forts. Now what is the next question? Write the names of the districts with hot water springs. So this is the symbol for hot water springs. So we have hot water springs at Thane. We have at Ratnagiri, wherever these symbols in whichever district it is there, there is hot water spring. In Jalgaon, Yavatmal, Nanded, Raigad. Okay, let's move ahead. Underline the names of districts which have caves. Symbol of caves. Now we have to mark the districts. Underline. So I'm not underlining, I'm directly writing. Raigad is having caves. Nasik is having caves. Aurangabad is having caves. Latur is having caves. Nagpur is having caves. Thane is having caves. Pune is having caves. Next question is, find the ports, find the districts which have ports and circle their names. So this symbol shows port. So which district has that? Palghar has. So all the districts which are on the coastal line, they all have ports. So we have Palghar, we have Thane, we have Mumbai city, then we have Raigad, Ratnagiri. These all have ports because they are situated on the coastal side. Now, the next question is classify man-made and natural objects with the help of the index. So this is the index which I have shared from page number 90. District headquarters. Now this district headquarters man has made. So it is man-made. Then major places and stations. Now all places on the earth are major places. So when we specify something as something important, that is made by man, because according to God, everything is major, everything is important. So this is man-made. Caves, we have natural, which are formed in the mountains. Forts, fort is natural? No, it is made by man. It is man-made. Then hot water spring. Hot water spring is natural. It cannot be made by man. Then air transport center. That is your airports. They are made by man. Ports. Ports are man-made. Some are natural but very rare. Otherwise, it is made by man. National highway, your roads, they are made by man, man-made. Railways, man-made. So these all are defined as man-made. The next question is, there is a national highway and a railway line between Pune and Kolhapur. In your notebook, write which of this is short. So national highway and railway I have shared. Now, if you see between Pune and Kolhapur, so if you start from Pune and go to Kolhapur, this is your national highway and this is your railway line. You have to start from Pune and go to Kolhapur. So it is little bit long. It is passing, first it is going to Sangli, then it is going to Kolhapur. So it is taking long. So which is the shorter route? It is national highway because it is directly from Pune, it is going to Kolhapur. It is not taking a break or it is not diverting anywhere. Whereas in railway line, first the railway is going to Sangli and from Sangli it is going to Kolhapur. So national highway is shorter. The next question is, trace the Gondia Chandrapur railway line and write the names of the places on the line. So this is Gondia till Chandrapur. We have to trace the line and we have to write the names of the places on the line. The names of the places are Arjuni Morgaon, Desai Ganj, Brahmapuri, Nagbir, Mul. These places lie between Gondia and Chandrapur on the railway line. Okay, Arjuni Morgaon, Desai Ganj, Brahmapuri, Nagbir, Mul. Okay, now ahead we have, what's the solution? Jacob has to make a map of his locality. He saw the things shown in the box alongside in his locality. Which of these things should he show in his map? So now a house. Will Jacob show house on his locality? Yeah, on his map? Yes, he will show a house on his map. Then a flying crow. Is it possible to show a flying crow? No, because moving objects we do not put on a map. So we are not going to put a flying crow on the map. A police station. Yes, we are going to add a police station in the map. Cows. Cows keep on moving from one place to another. So we cannot show on the map. It will be deducted. Post office. Yes, it is a building we have to show on a map. Buffaloes. Buffaloes will show? No, because they keep on moving from one place to another. So buffaloes also we are not going to show. A school. Yes, a school we are going to show on a map. A vehicle. A vehicle means a car, a bus, a ambulance, van. These all include in vehicle. Scooters, bikes. Even they are not going to be shown because they keep on moving from one place to another. A square. We are going to show a square. Now, what is a square? Chauraha. We have that chauraha in our area, in our society. That is a chauraha. Square. A road. Yes, we are going to show a road in the map. A tower. Yes, a tower is also going to be shown on a map. A farm. Yes, a farm is also going to be shown on a map. So these all things Jacob should show on the map of his locality. Okay. Now the next question is of textbook page number 91. Which of the maps shown is complete? Two maps are given, map A and map B. Now, how are we going to understand which is complete and which is incomplete? Let us see. First, name of the map, the title, Yavatmal District Talukas. It is there, so this is complete. Second is directions. In map A, direction is given. In map B, it is not given. Then the scale. In map A, it is given. In map B, it is not given. So, which map is complete and which is incomplete? The map which is having all the requirements like title, direction, scale, index, it is complete. So that is map A. Map A is complete and map B is incomplete. Why it is incomplete? Because it has the title, but it does not have the direction. It does not have scale, the index. So it is incomplete. So in both the maps, map A is complete. We finished the revision of chapter number 14. Now hard words I'll be sharing with you. Pay attention. Hard words, take a screenshot. Read the lesson, mark the hard words. Okay. The first one is observe. Observe. Take the screenshot of the hard words. Classify. Classify. Naturally. Naturally. Resources. Resources. Narrow. Narrow. Realistic. Realistic. Locality. Locality. Symbol. Symbol. Exactly. Exactly. Approximately. Approximately. Civilization. Civilization. Take the screenshot of the hard words. Environment. Environment. Identifying. Identifying. Heritage. Heritage. Historical. Historical. Advanced. Advanced. Cowries. Cowries. Include. Include. So take a screenshot of the hard words. Those who are always late for taking the screenshot, please take the screenshot of the hard words. Okay. So I hope everyone the screenshot is taken. I'm stopping sharing my screen. Take the screenshot. Those who are late. Stopping sharing my screen. Back to the chat box. So you are going to You are going to read the lesson and you're going to mark the hard words in the lesson, underline the hard words. And I hope the lesson was easy. We have already done this lesson. You are going to read the lesson, mark the hard words, and learn the objectives from lesson number 14. The lesson number 16, day and night, we completed, I think, before this revision. So, and that was also not very difficult because I don't think so I'll be able to do day and night lesson. I have done the revision work is done. My presentation is ready, but my screen is not working because I've stopped sharing my screen, beta. Acha, your screen is not working. Why your screen is not working? Your network issue is there. Okay. So, lesson number 14, 16, I don't think so I'll be able to complete the revision part. The lesson was very easy and we have done before the revision only. So, I don't think so it will be creating any problem. So, the lesson was easy. The revision part was easy. Next week, your exams are starting. I hope you all have done your preparation for the exam. You have studied well. My voice is not coming. Why, beta? My voice is okay. Your network issue is there because I'm trying to talk properly so that I'm trying to speak at the top of my voice because right now my throat is paining because of cold. But I'm trying to speak at the top of my voice so that you people don't have a problem. Your homework is you're going to read the lesson from the textbook and underline the hard words given and learn the objectives from the workbook. Okay. Mayank, I shared the screen. Sayyeda Kauri is you get on the beaches na? Kauris. That is kauris. You get on the beaches. The shells. They are kauris. Okay. My voice is coming. Okay. Okay, Chandan, you can leave, beta. It's okay, Chandan. So, Sayyeda, I hope kauris is clear to you. Shank. Shank is very large, na? Itna bada to nahi hoga, na? They are showing small, small. Harshal, my time is up. My time is not up. Still 5 minutes are there. Yes, you can leave, beta. Approximately means andazan. It can be this much, it can be that, not proper. Like I can say, I will give lecture for 2-3 minutes. So that is approximately. When I'll say I'll give lecture for 30 minutes, so that is confirm I'm saying 30 minutes, pura, approximate, andaza nahi, pura. अरे मयंक हीरो फिर आज रह गया ये. Wait now. Oh no, I have to share screen now. Again, I have to share screen now. Got the hard words, Mayank? Who else did not get the hard words? Take the screenshot. Okay. Mayank, I hope the hard word is clear now. Now, Hindi lecture, I think 3 o'clock, 3 to 3:20, no lecture is there, beta. Okay, Yashasri. Okay, so get ready for your exam. Do the papers nicely. Do it properly. Okay, the recording come in the evening, Ananya. But see, if they have not taken, I have to give them, but I have to provide them. Otherwise, I'll feel bad that they don't have the hard words. I have to give them. So, do your papers nicely. Try to score good marks. Whatever you have learned, the paper will be very easy. If you have understood what I have explained you, the paper will be very, very easy. So, do the papers nicely. Okay. I'll be stopping my lecture. Do the revision, learn properly, and all the best for the exam. Okay. Bye bye, everyone. Have a good day. Bye bye.